I'm going to take you behind the scenes again to let you see some of my processes, how I make things work when I'm making examples for courses, for the YouTube channel, or for my LinkedIn courses. I need to make a lot of fake data. And by the way, I got a new LinkedIn course. It's 25 fast tips to help you keep organized in Power Query and get more out of it. There are a lot of random data generators online, but I like to keep my own file. Here's my file where I keep all of my fake data. We've got all of these names, and this is what we're going to talk about today. I got in a situation where I needed a whole bunch of dollar amounts. I could set this up using rand or rand array, but those make a whole bunch of decimal places, and if I had to do math on those, then I got to deal with rounding errors. So I wanted to make dollar amounts that are truly just 2 decimal places long. Here this is setting up 11 rows of data. Let's say I want 15 or 200, and my low is going from 5 to 700. Let's say I want to go 200 to 700. Or what if I do something like 1,000 to 700? It won't do it, so that's a good thing. What if I do this? Negative 100. There, it got me a couple of negative numbers. Over here, I've got a list of random dates, so I can make a whole list of birthdays if I want. All right, let's do this. Here I've got fake data. Maybe I want to show people how to make pivot tables or use Power Query. Now I want some start dates and account balances. I want a list of start dates that are between the 17th of October 97 and the 10th of May 2018 equals rand array. How many rows? I want 30, comma. I want 1 column, comma. Minimum, this date, comma, max, that day, comma, integer, true, put a number 1, enter. Now these are the numbers behind the scenes that help Excel do math on dates. So I'm going to highlight these, right click, copy. I'm going to go over here and then paste them in, get rid of the underlying formula, and then let's hit escape. All right, highlight here, format painter, make the whole column that format. Okay, and we got a couple of extras, get rid of those, that's fine. Next, I need some dollar amounts. Equals rand array. I want 30 rows, comma, 1 column, comma, minimum 12, maximum 200. And I don't want an integer, so I'm just going to hit enter. Now here's where it gets tricky because I don't want all those decimal places. Let's slide over a bit. This is what we have to do. We're going to wrap this in text. Open parentheses. That's the value. Go here. Comma. Double quotes. 0.00. Double quotes. Close parentheses. Enter. Now we've got 2 decimal places, but the format is text. What do? Go back, multiply this times 1, enter. There we go. I'm going to slide back over, grab this data, copy, go here, right click, paste as values, and then make the whole column currency. If you don't have to do this a lot, all of this may not be worth it. Maybe you do just go download some fake data or make it yourself. But if you do have to do this a lot, it might be worth setting up your own file with your own mechanism in the file for generating the data real fast. See you in the next video.